Hello world! If you are thinking whether you should learn coding or not and why you should do coding, in this video I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you should learn coding in 2021. So let's start our computers. Hi there, myself Lakshya Namdeo and welcome to my channel. As we all know, in the next 10 to 20 years, the IT sector in India is going to develop at a fast pace. And in this massive development, they are going to need a lot of new employees. So here comes our first reason, huge employment opportunities. In the next 10 to 20 years, the IT sector in India is going to change a lot. And in this process, they are going to need employees who knows how to code, or not how to code, but just basics of coding. So now you're thinking that I am MBA, BCom or BBA student. मैं coding क्यों सीखूं? Suppose an IT company offers MBAs a job. There are two categories of students. The one who knows nothing about coding and the second category who knows just the basics of coding. The company will likely to hire the second category of students because they know what the company is about and what they will be working for. So in this way you can get a high paying job by knowing just the basics of coding. Just basics. Highest paying job. According to the Google, in the list of most highly paid jobs in India, on the first one there are doctors and neurosurgeons, and on the second one there are software developers. So you can guess what impact the software development career has on India. And now you're thinking that I'm not good at studies. मैं उतना intelligent नहीं हूँ coding करने के लिए. So here comes our third reason, you don't have to be a nerd to learn coding. ये बहुत बड़ा myth है कि आपको टॉपर बनना पड़ेगा, आपको इंटेलिजेंट बनना पड़ेगा, आपको कंप्यूटर के बारे में पूरी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कोडिंग सीखने के लिए. That's not true. केवल कोडिंग की एक ऐसी फील्ड है जिसमें आपको किसी भी चीज की स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज होनी जरूरी नहीं है. You don't have to learn everything. You can just start your career with just basics of coding. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट करना आता है, अगर आपको कंप्यूटर में टाइप करना आता है, you can learn coding, you can be a coder. You can convert your thoughts into reality. We have all seen the Avengers movie, and in that movie, Tony Stark has a personal assistant called Jarvis. हम सबका एक ड्रीम था कि हमारा खुद का एक जाविस हो, हमारे पास खुद का एक पर्सनल असिस्टेंट हो. एंड गेस व्हाट, यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन जाविस, यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन पर्सनल असिस्टेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोडिंग. थिंक ऑफ एनीथिंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड यू कैन क्रिएट, और करेक्शन, यू कैन रिक्रिएट that piece of technology with the help of coding. Fifth, coding teaches brain problem solving ability. When you code or program anything, you tend to face a lot of problems and bugs. And when you overcome these problems with the help of your own knowledge, that's how you develop problem solving skill. It is scientifically proven that when human brain learns anything new or solve any particular problem with the help of his knowledge, his intelligence, or his ability to think, the human brain tend to create new neurons to evolve that skill. So in short, you can reprogram your brain with the help of coding. That's it for today, guys. And if you got any questions regarding coding, or in this video you got any doubts, make sure to comment down your question and I'll surely give you a reply. Make sure to follow on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for more knowledgeable content every day. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for video notifications. Share this video as much as possible and help me to get into the YouTube's algorithm. Thank you. That's it for today.